G'day. Today we're going to jump into cell formatting in Excel. Specifically, we'll look at some of the more common types like number, currency, date, percentage, and text. Let's start with number. This format type is crucial when you need to specify the number of decimal places. Excel will round the numbers to match your selected decimal place count. Plus, it prevents Excel from using scientific notation, especially with very large numbers, unless you formatted the cell as a number. Currency formatting is handy when dealing with money. You can customize the number of decimal places and set the currency symbol according to your region. Now let's look at dates. Excel allows you to display dates in various formats. You can find more formats based on your location. This feature is particularly useful since different countries follow different date protocols. Percentage formatting does exactly what it says. It converts values into percentages. Just remember, if you want to input 2%, you'll need to enter 0.02, otherwise Excel will interpret 2 as 200%. Lastly, there's text formatting. This option allows you to represent numbers exactly as you enter them. For instance, if you typed 0.10, Excel would typically change it to 0.1 because the trailing 0 isn't necessary for calculations. However, formatting the cell as text retains the original input. Using the text formatting still allows math calculations with the cell, even though the cell has been formatted to text. And there you have it, a brief rundown of some of the most commonly used cell formats in Excel. Remember to choose the right format to ensure your data is presented accurately and effectively.